Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So, today I am starting a new series on the channel, how to make a tycoon game in Unity. So, let's get straight to it. So, first of all, go to UI and then create legacy and then create text and then name that money text. You will see why I'm not just calling it money in a second. So what you wanna do, go to here where it says center and middle, and then click Alt and double tap on top, and then click F on your scene view. This will move it to the middle, and then you can just move it however you like here. I don't know. Then what you wanna do by the canvas, we wanna create a image because we want this image to display. We can't just drag it here because it's a UI canvas and it's weird. So let's go to the canvas, go to UI. I don't know what the difference between image and raw image is, but to create a raw image, then go to top, center, middle again, click Alt, go to top, and then, okay, for some reason it went there. And then that's what we want. Then go to textures, double click on a money sprite, and then there we go. Let's scale up the text box, alignment, center, both of it, and size up the font a bit. And then we broke right now, so make this 10, and then just change the color to like green or something. And then there we go. If we go to game view, it should work, hopefully. And there we go, it works. I'll fix that, it's a bit off, but there we go. So hope you guys enjoyed. I would show you how to like add money onto your total balance next time, but hope you enjoyed, and peace.